Yes. So, hi, my name is Abhiram and I'm here to explain about how I've taken the photos in these past couple of days, or should I say past 2 days to be honest. So, disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. This is all about how I shot my Reebok shoe at 5 different locations, and this is how it goes. And let's get into the BTS. So in this particular shot, what I am trying to do is that I'm shooting my Reebok shoe. So I'm gonna make sure that the light source was exactly on the symbol of the shoe, such that you'll know what I meant to. What I intend to do. Whatever it is, easy about that. You can see a small gap of light falling through the symbol. Like this. Let's get shooting. Now we've got the shot which we wanted to. Let's go to the next one. So in this, I've tied my shoes to a thread. If you can't see, it's a black thread, so I guess you can't. Maybe you can see now. So I've tied that to a big rope right there, and I am doing this on a tripod. So thanks, Lakshman. And the reason for this setup is that I wanted the whole shoe to be on a spotlight, and you'll know what I mean in some time. I'm using long exposure for this shoot, and that's why the tripod is necessary for this shoot. So yeah, and I'm using 10 seconds timer because I can't do this and that at the same time. And then you go. Come, yeah. Okay, so I found this location in Usman University. Look at this shoe. That looks real dope. And I'm using the big one, 70 to 300 mm lens on my tripod. And let's get shooting. That really looks dope. To get the whole frame, I'm using a wide lens which is 1835 mm. And also wear a mask. Mask is important. and I saw this rock with perfect sunlighting from the top. So let's try. We are at Usman University and I'm shooting my shoe because they are leading lines here. So let's get started.
So yeah, it was a great journey of shooting. So yeah, now the photos. So the first place was at my house, which you all know. I wanted to take the logo of the shoe. It was the main objective of that. So the reason why I liked this shot was about the framing of the shot. How the two objects had made a frame for the logo to make it a bit special. Now the next shot. And this one, as I've told you in the video, I wanted the lighting to be exactly on the logo of the shoe, which was perfectly done in this shot. That's why I love this shot. And the next shot was also the same thing, making a boundaries, but it was on the other side of the shoe where the name was written. So yeah, I did it. I kind of liked it, but it was fine. And the next shot was so the main objective for this shot was that I wanted to be a part of the shoe in focus and part of shoe out of focus, which is in the blacks or whatever it is. So I tried to do it, but I was fine with it. It was okay. It was not that good, but I liked it. And this shot actually took me an hour, to be honest, but it was worth it. When I looked at the shot, but actually I wanted to make two shoes hanging, but it was not possible, so I made one shoe. And oh my god, I love this shot. So now the next shot. Yeah, this location was, I did not think that I would get a location like this. It was on the spot and I loved those pictures. This picture was the light was falling directly on the shoe, which made it better, and even the other one, which was edited in a different way, but I like the composition and stuff. And this one feels like when we use this kind of a light on a product, that lighting I got it. That is the magic of Lightroom basically. So great job. But it was actually sunlight, so I love this shot. Yeah, even this was natural lighting, and it turned really good. And for this shot, I have not shot any BTS for that, but I couldn't do it. But this was in Usman University, and I loved the composition because of my Raghubab watching this. मेरे नाम चकना role of composition of 2/3. So what 2/3 means, you have to make sure that the object or the subject which you are shooting should be at the end of the frames, which makes it look better. So that was it for this shot and the next one, which made it for, in my opinion, I think it was a better shot. It was a great shot. This was also in the same location, but it was a rock, so I got it, and it was really nice. And I love the edit of it because why should I create my own editing? In this I went to the. This was shot in Usman University at night time. If you can see, this was the main name of this was Leading Lines, which I got it on the spot, and I loved it. And yeah, 16 shot was also great. I got the bokeh and even on the other shot, which I loved it. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you like it. Peace out, and my Instagram handle is 4 second. Bye bye. Like, share. Thank you.